Let us first connect 5-volt and GND power supply pins from breadboard into Arduino Mega. Now take your fingerprint sensor and connect its power supply pins with the breadboard. Now connect your servo pins with Arduino Mega that are supply pins as well as a signal pin. Connect the signal pins from fingerprint sensor to the Arduino Mega. Connect your Arduino Mega to a PC or laptop and upload the code. Let us now check the working of our project. Great. It's working only with the enrolled thumb, not with unidentified finger.